A river is 104 meters wide and the current flows at 0.5 meter per second parallel to its banks. So this is the bank and the river flowing. A woman can swim at 1.6 meter per second in still water. She swims from point A and aims for point B, which is directly opposite, but she is carried downstream to point C. So calculate the time it takes a woman to swim across the river and the distance downstream BC that she travels. So if we are to join AC and assume that V is the velocity at which she is carried downstream or she swims from point A to C. So if that's the velocity, then it can be resolved into its components, horizontal and vertical components, V sine theta and V cos theta, where theta is the angle V makes with the horizontal. So we know what V sine theta and what V cos theta are, because V sine theta would be the velocity at which the woman can swim in still water, that's 1.6 meter per second, and V cos theta is going to be 0.5 meter per second. So that is a velocity of the water or the current. Yeah, so I would write that down, and then I would get cos theta is 0.5 out of V, sine theta is 1.6 out of V, and we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So we do this equation, and then we get V is 1.673 meter per second. So now I have this, I try and find out sine theta. I'm trying to find out the angle theta, so I write sine theta from here is 1.6 out of 1.673, and I get theta is 72.6 degrees. So once I know theta, I can then directly work out what BC is, because I know AB, so I can work out what BC is. But I don't know, I use sine theta again, and I try to work out AC, and then I could, well, anyway, so I could have done it the other way, but anyway, so I work out AC. So sine theta is AB out of AC, and therefore I get AC is 109 meters. So now that I know AC is 109 meters, I can work out the time it would take to travel this distance, and time taken is 1.673 meters. So I get from here the velocity is 1 second, hence for 109 meters it will be approximately 65 seconds. So that I know. Now I can work out BC. So I use Pythagoras. BC is the square root of AC square minus AB square. So BC is AC square minus AB square, and I get the answer is 32.6 meters. And that is the answer to the question. So we have 65 seconds is the time, and the distance is 32.6 meters.